everyone. Well, it's time for part 3 of our chat with Charlie. There is a generation of people out there who have worked their entire lives and they will not stop until they drop. We have valued our dad's mentorship and his wisdom over the years. He has a wealth of experience that has made his growing an art. He can even tell when a plant is thinking of wilting. And he is my number one go-to when I have a question. So settle in, and I hope you enjoy this segment we call Still At It.
Nice to be our age and still be allowed to play in the dirt trail.
Yeah, it sure is. It sure is. I don't get tired as much as I'm sore all over. I got from my elbow up to my shoulder a water hose.
Yeah.
Water hose shoulder from watering for the last 60 years, and that bothers me.
Yeah.
That bothers me. But outside of that, I have no complaints.
You come into work every day?
Every day. Every day. The only time they'll throw me out is when they carry me out.
Yeah. No, I do hear that. Some of us keep on working because it's what we do.
Well, what else would you do? I've got a model railroad I could work on at home, but that's a winter job when it's cold. But this growing comes, because every year is a challenge, because every year a certain plant does not grow. Yeah. And for years it would grow, and all of a sudden this year that plant would grow.
Yeah.
Why? The next year it goes again, the wind goes.
Every year there's something. There's one problem child.
Every year, at a different one every year. Yeah. Do you bring in any kind of ladybugs, anything like that? Which should you have a problem in the region? Not really. So everything's been nice and clean. Even poinsettias as well.
We do.
Lots of them.
I think it's a lot, yeah. We're at capacity in the area that we grow them in.
Are they hard to grow?
They're very fussy.
Yeah.
They're a fussy plant. It's a challenge at times with poinsettias. But most of our poinsettias are for fundraisers.
Oh, okay.
That's a nice way of doing it.
Yeah. Now you officially open every year about the first of May, around the first weekend in May?
Yeah. Well, actually, we usually open May 1st. We open May 1st every year.
No matter what day of the week it is.
Unless
May
1st is on a Sunday or even a Monday. So then we open a little earlier. Like this year, it's
but earlier rather than later.
Correct. Yes. And always the first weekend of May, we have our big spring party. That's how that works.
It's a wonderful place. It really is. And we hope that, again, when you and I get on the air here, and each summer, that people will call in and pose their problems, and I turn them over to the brain here, and let her kind of sort them all out here.
And the brain goes and talks to
Charlie.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah,
kind of a chain reaction.
When I don't know it, I go elsewhere. But we come up with an answer.
Well, you guys have been here since, what, 1919? You're closing in on 100 years.
And, 1919, yeah. When my dad started with Mom. 1919.
It looks like you'll be going for a few more years.
I hope so.
Exactly.
I'm really looking forward to 100 years.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to picture you playing with a model train set that somehow doesn't register with me at all.
Well, we used to live beside the railroad in 73rd Street there, and the trains would come in and switch Canada Packers, they would switch Burns and all there, and we got there, we got to know the engineers. So we got to ride in the engine when they were switching and whatnot. And the firemen showed us how to hand shove fire a steam engine, and we knew what to do. We kind of knew what to do, because we could make them puff a little bit. So we're doing the right thing,
Every little boy's dream right there.
Yeah, and we rode with them for years and years and years until Burns wasn't there anymore, and Canada Packers wasn't there anymore, and then those days were over.
So the trains weren't moving through there.
Trains weren't moving through anymore.
Well, I hope you're here for a lot more years, Trevor.
Well,
I want to make that beer bet with you and see how it works.
Okay.
In a book my husband Dan just read, it said that nowhere in the Bible does it talk about retirement, but rather that life moves from season to season. In this season of our dad's life, he has really shone as an example of mentorship. It gives him purpose and it breathes life into ours. It has really been a blessing having him work beside us. Thank you for listening in.